Hello friends, welcome to Mr.Accent. Hi, I am Ayon Haldar, voice and accent trainer and author of Heal Your English Trauma, the secret psychology method of speaking English fluently, confidently and automatically at any age. If you are afraid of speaking English in front of others, stop everything and watch this video till the end because today I will reveal the real reason you are scared to speak English and how to fix it in 3 simple steps. No grammar, no textbooks, just confidence. Why you feel stuck. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever learned English for years but still struggle to speak English fluently? Do you translate Bengali to English in your head before speaking? That's not your fault. It's the way you were taught. Grammar, translation, fear of mistakes. It's a trauma, not a language problem. You were taught to fear English like an exam instead of using it like a skill. But what if I told you you can heal this trauma and speak freely like a child, learning to talk again? Yes, you can. Let me show you how. 3 steps to heal your English trauma. Step 1. Don't wait to become a perfect. Start speaking wrong English because wrong English is better than no English. Confidence grows when you make mistakes in real life, not inside books. Step 2. Listen like a baby. Babies don't learn grammar, they just listen. So every day, listen to native English speakers for 10 minutes and watch short videos, reels, maybe Mr.Accent videos, anything in real conversation style. Step 3. Use the Mr.Accent mirror method. Stand in front of mirror and pick a sentence like, I am learning English every day. Say it 10 times with a feeling, with proud. It rewires your brain. This is a spoken English therapy, not spoken English class. Remember, you need courage, consistency, and the right method. And that's why I created Mr.Accent, a place where you heal your fear, build real fluency, and enjoy the process from age 22 to 50. They are all proving it's never too late to speak English. So, if you believe spoken English is not a subject, but a skill you can master. So join our mission to make English fearless for every day, every Bengali speakers. Drop a comment now. I will speak English without fear. I will speak English without fear. I will speak English without fear. Let the world know voices matter. See you in the next video. Bye bye.